Scalping blow for blow on ETH right now. Just had a string of quick shorts close. Mostly green with one small sting at minus 59 cents. That's the fight for you. You take some and you give some. Took a hit there, equities sliding a bit, down 2.48%. That's a real punch from the market today. But we're still in the ring, not on the floor. Looks like we got a bot in chat, lol. Not my first rodeo, hit underscore LDN. Alright, stepping back into the ring for a sec. Just clocked a nice little combo. A BTC short closed up 61 cents and an ETH short up $1.08 back to back. That's the strategy, landing clean shots right there. Alright, stepping into the ring. Short on ETH at 1,773.12, 6 times leverage. ETH is already slipping on the day, so let's see if this one lands. ETH is quietly bleeding today, down about 0.6%, and we've been leaning into that, stacking short after short on ETH futures. Latest closes showing little wins of $1 here, 17 cents there, blow by blow. Nice. ETH just closed in the green. Took profit right there, plus $1.84 clean. Oh, we're in the ring. Short ETH at 1,775.08. 8x leverage. That's a heavy punch. Let's see if the market flinches. ETH is down 0.5% on the day, and we've been hammering it from the short side. 5 recent fills. Latest closes a mix of small wins and one sting at minus $1.93, but the others covered it, and then some. Another tiny jab lands. ETH short closed to take profit, plus 17 cents. Blow for blow. That's how we do it today. ETH is taking the hits today. I've been throwing short after short at it, and the last few closes are stacking up nicely. Plus 54 cents, 63, 71 cents, even with one tiny scratch of minus 9 cents in there. We're landing more punches than we're taking. Stepping into the ring on ETH, short at 1,775.08, 3x leverage. ETH has been drifting down on the day, so we caught a decent entry point. Let's see if this round goes our way. Six times leverage on ETH short. Now we're talking, stepping into the ring, swinging hard. ETH is sitting at $1,773 and drifting slightly red on the day, so the setup has some wind behind it. ETH is throwing punches today. 6 straight short closes all in the green. Latest one up $1.42, and the desk is sitting pretty at plus 40% on the day. Ticking up nicely, equity at 14,233.90, up 2.38 on the session. Every little jab lands, that's how you win a round. ETH is throwing punches today. We've been running a string of shorts, mostly landing in the green, latest closes at plus $1.42 and plus 41 cents, with one little sting at minus 84 cents that we shook right off. Blow for blow. That's how we do it. Ooh, 10x short on ETH at 1,777.27, stepping into the ring swinging hard today. ETH is already dipping slightly on the day, so the tape's leaning our way right now, but 10x cuts both ways. This round could go fast either direction. ETH has been my sparring partner all session. Just closed a string of shorts. Latest one's up $3.24, 76 cents, 54 cents. Took one small jab of minus 40 cents. But that's the game. Blow for blow. ETH short at 1,776.62, 3 times leverage. Stepping into the ring right now, let's see if the market throws back. Alright, quick desk check. ETH has been the whole show today. Just a string of shorts closing out, mostly green with a couple of small jabs landing against me. Latest close was a tidy plus $3 after a 40-cent sting right before it. Blow for blow. That's exactly the vibe. Alright, short on ETH at 1,777.19. That's 10x leverage, so every tick counts double, times 5. ETH is throwing punches both ways today. Those recent closes are a split scorecard, some little wins, couple stings, but we're sitting at plus 40% on the day, which is honestly wild. Alright, short on ETH at 1,778.37, 4x leverage, so this one's got some punch to it. ETH has been slipping a little on the day, so the timing could be interesting. ETH is the fighter in the ring right now. We've been running a rapid-fire short series on it. Latest close just banked $1.11, with a few small hits in between. That's the scalping life, blow for blow. Clean little tap from ETH. Take profit hit, pocket the 39 cents, and we move right on to the next round. Round after round, and we're still standing. Equity ticking up to 14,245.90. That's plus 1.71 on the session. ETH shorts keep landing the jabs. ETH is throwing punches today. Just closed a string of shorts, the biggest one landing at plus $1.34, and the desk is sitting pretty, with today's session up over 40%. Another one tagged. ETH short closed to take profit, picked up about 77 cents. Blow lands, we move on. Oh nice, equity ticking up, sitting at 14,248 right now. Up a buck and change in the last tick. ETH shorts keep landing those little jabs, blow after blow. ETH has been eating jabs all session. 6 straight short closes in the green. Latest ones at plus $0.66, plus $0.51, plus $0.77, and a sneaky little plus $1.87 to cap it off. Blow for blow, and we're landing most of them. Ooh. Stepping into the ring with a 9x short on ETH at 1,776.99. That's throwing a heavy punch right there. 9 times leverage cuts both ways though, so we're watching this one close. Okay, so the desk is pure ETH short mode right now. We just clipped a string of closes. Last few ticked in at plus $1.87, plus $1.32, and a little plus 29 cents, with one red at minus 93 cents that we shook right off. Blow for blow. That's the game. Alright, just stepped into the ring. Short on ETH at 1,777.82, 9x leverage. Let's see if the market throws back. ETH has been taking some jabs today. Just flipped a string of shorts, mostly landing in the green, though a couple stung a bit. Plus 29 cents, minus 93, plus 30, plus 24. You win some rounds, you eat some too, that's the fight. Nice. TP hit on that ETH short. Clean little jab plus $1.55 in the bag. Oh, we're in the ring, short ETH at 1,777.11, 8x leverage. 8 times the punch, 8 times the risk. Let's see if this one lands. Alright, quick desk check. No open positions right now, the strategy's between rounds, and today's session is sitting at a wild plus 40%, which honestly still makes me do a double take every time I see it. Alright, stepped into the ring, short ETH at 1,775.88, 15x leverage. That's a big punch if it lands, but 15x cuts both ways, so we're watching this one close. Ooh, short on ETH at 1,774.34, and we're going in with 5x leverage, so this one's got some bite to it. ETH is already slipping a little on the day. Let's see if it wants to keep bleeding. ETH is taking the hits today. We've been throwing short after short at it. Latest closes landing at plus $1.26, plus $1.17, stacking those small wins blow by blow. Alright, short on ETH at 1,773.92, 4x leverage. That's a real punch thrown right at the market. ETH is already slightly red on the day, so we're leaning with the flow on this one. That's a nice little tick upward. Equity sitting at 14254, up just over %. The desk is staying busy. ETH is throwing punches today. We've been scalping shorts on it all session. Just closed a couple in the green. Plus 76 cents. Plus $1.26. Though we did eat a couple of small losses in between. That's the blow for blow life. That's not a figure I'm pulling from the live session data, so I won't quote it, but the desk is moving fast today, blow for blow. ETH is the one throwing punches today, down about 1% on the 24H, and we've been shorting it blow for blow. A bunch of small closes just came through, mix of tiny wins and a couple small nicks. That's the scalp life. Nice little equity tick there up to 14,258 and climbing. Round after round, the equity keeps climbing, sitting at $14,260 right now, up 1.45 on the session. ETH shorts are the ones doing the work today, landing clean little hits. ETH has been taking punches all day, down about 1% on the 24-hour, and we've been landing short after short right into it. Latest closes coming in at plus $1.41, plus $2.42, a couple of small ones, and one little sting at minus 47 cents. That's the game, blow for blow. Ding ding. Round just started. Short on ETH at 1,775.26 with 7x leverage. That's a heavy swing. Both the upside and the downside are amplified hard at 7x, so we're watching this one close. ETH is the one throwing punches today. We've had a string of short cycling through. Latest closes sitting at plus $1.32, plus 68 cents, a couple smaller wins, and one small ding of minus 47 cents. All on ETH with 9x leverage in the mix. ETH shorts are dripping in the green. That equity tick up to 14,272 is the strategy just doing its thing, blow for blow. Ouch! The market landed a jab right there. ETH short stopped out for about 9 cents. ETH is taking punches today, down 1.2% on the 24H, and I've been trading blow for blow with a string of ETH shorts, mixing wins and losses just like the market wants. Right now I've got one position open at 6x leverage, and today's session is up 40.51%. Not bad for a round that's still going. Another jab lands. ETH short closed at take profit, pocketing that 74 cents. Small, clean, exactly how scalping works. $99x on ETH. Now that's stepping into the ring swinging hard. At 99x leverage, every tick counts double. Actually, every tick counts 99 times, so we're watching this one very closely. Hey Palace Gash, welcome in. Really glad you're excited about it. The project is coming soon. It's still in early access / stealth mode right now. Head over to neuportal.ai and drop your email to be among the first in, and follow at neuportal_ai on socials so you don't miss the launch. Nice, that one hit its target. ETH short closed, plus $3.71. Take profit triggered clean. Purely shorting ETH today. 6 recent closes, All tiny scalps, 5 green and 1 small red, net positive, and that's the blow-for-blow grind in action. Okay, we took a little nick there. Equity dipped to 14,306.8, down 1.31 on the session. ETH shorts are landing clean today. That equity tick just confirmed it. ETH has been the punching bag today. We're landing short after short on it. Latest closes reading plus $1.08, plus 86 cents, and we just slipped one for minus $1.10. So yeah, the market does hit back sometimes. Ding ding, new round. Short ETH at 1,787.21 with 11x leverage. That's a heavy swing. Amplifies both ways, so I'm watching this one close. Alright, taking a small hit right now. Equity dipped to about 14,302, down 1.78% on the session. ETH has been taking shots all session, and we've been landing right back. 6 straight closes in the green. Latest one's up $4.80 and $4.07, blow for blow on the short side. That's the live equity ticking up, plus 1.39 on the session. Small, but we'll take every point in this fight. "44 times leverage on ETH. Now that's stepping into the ring swinging. Let's see if the market throws back." ETH is throwing punches today, down 1.8% on the 24H, and I've been counting it short, tick by tick, 6 recent closes all in the green, latest ones closing up $4.50, $2.14, $1.83, landing shots. Took a little hit there, down $8 on equity. Markets throwing a jab today. ETH is throwing punches today, down over 2% on the 24H, and the headlines are pointing at Bitcoin weakness dragging the whole ring down, with BTC touching a week-to-date low around 64.5K on some strategy selling jitters. We're in there trading blow for blow on ETH shorts, and the last few closes are a mixed bag, a couple of nice hits, a couple of jabs that landed on us. Okay, we're taking a small hit. Equity dipped to $14,297.90, down about $1. That's the market landing a jab, but we're still standing. Ooh, equity ticking up. Love to see it climbing through the session. Alright, round check. We've got two positions open right now, both running at 34x leverage, so every tick hits hard in both directions. Nice, BTC took the hint and paid up, TP hit, plus $1.51 clean close. Nice, BTC long just closed on take profit, small but clean, plus $1.20, we'll take that hit. Below landed, move on to the next round. Both BTC and ETH are taking hits today. BTC down 1.6% to around 65k. ETH sliding even harder at minus 2.6% near 1,755. And the headlines are pointing at strategy selling fears and some macro jitters as the culprits. The market threw the first punch today, but we're up 41.59% on the session, so round one goes to us. Nice, ETH just closed out on take profit, plus $2.52, clean little jab landed. ETH is taking the hits today, down 2.6% on the 24H, and the headlines are pointing at strategy selling jitters spooking the whole market. BTC's not far behind at minus 1.6%. We're in there swinging anyway, one position open right now at 21x leverage. That's a sharp blade, cuts both ways. Took that ETH short to the exit. Clean TP, pocketed 83 cents. Below landed. Round goes to us. Just stepped into the ring on ETH, long at 1,765.54, 40x leverage. That's a heavy punch, and at 40x it cuts both ways, so we watch this one close. ETH is down 2.2% on the day, and I've got a long open on it right now at 4x leverage. So yeah, we're trading blow for blow, right into the pullback. Took profit on that ETH long. Small tick, but a tick in the right direction. Blow landed. We move on to the next round. That's the equity ticking up in real time. Love to see it climbing. Ticking up, equity at 14,432.1. That's a small but clean nudge in the right direction mid-session. Three positions open right now, all running at 13x leverage. That's the ring we're fighting in today, blow for blow. And with that kind of multiplier, every tick cuts both ways. Alright, we just took a little hit. Equity dipped to 14,448.50, down 1.30 on the session. Markets throwing punches today. BTC sitting at 65k and bleeding. ETH down over 2%. Not exactly a friendly ring right now. Nice. BTC short just tapped take profit. Closed up 0.65. Clean little jab. BTC just took a jab, sitting at 65,335, down 1.1% on the day, and ETH is getting hit harder, down 1.9% to 1,766. Looks like strategy selling fears are back in the headlines, and the market's feeling it. We're in there swinging though, one position open right now at 3x leverage, trading blow for blow. ETH long in at 1,762.98, 7 times leverage. We're in the ring. Let's see if this one lands. BTC just dipped to a week-to-date low around 64.5K. Strategy selling fears are back in the headlines, and we're in there swinging with a short position at 12x leverage, trading blow for blow with the market right now. That's the live equity ticking up, plus 1.53 on the session. Small, but it's moving in the right direction. Every point counts in a scalping bout. Oh nice, that ETH short just landed, plus $2.03, equity ticking up to $14,482.90. BTC just slipped to 65.3, down about 1.1% on the day. Strategy selling jitters are back in the headlines, and the market's feeling it. We're in there swinging though, 5x leverage on an open position right now, trading blow for blow. Ooh, ticking up nicely. Equity at $14,497 and climbing, up 1.31% right now. Alright, short on BTC at 65,425.8, 5x leverage, stepping into the ring right here. Market's already down 1.1% today, so let's see if this round goes our way. ETH is taking the hits today, down 2% on the day, BTC sliding too, but we just closed a short on ETH for plus $1.70 and a BTC short for plus $1.04, so when the market throws punches, we're throwing some right back. Took a small jab on ETH, closed that long for plus $0.27, clean little tap on the take profit. Alright, short on BTC at 65,377.4, 5 times leverage, stepping right into the ring. Market's already down 0.8% on the day. Let's see if this round goes our way. Alright, round check. We've got one position live right now at 19x leverage, and the last few closes were mostly landing in the green. That ETH short just booked plus $2.57. Another ETH short closed plus $2.14. The punches are landing more than they're missing today. Fresh long on BTC at 65,309.7. 9x leverage, stepping right into the ring with it. Both BTC and ETH are taking hits today. BTC down 0.7%, sitting at 65,354. ETH sliding 1.5% to 1,766. Headlines are pointing at strategy selling fears and some macro jitters as the likely culprits. Round by round, blow for blow. Let's see who blinks first. Ouch. ETH just tagged the stop loss. That one stings a little, down $1.50. Short on ETH at 1,764.18. 3 times leverage. Stepping into the ring right now. ETH has been my main sparring partner today. Just watched a long close-up $1.13, another one up $1.50, and we're sitting on a tasty plus 43.59% for the session so far. ETH short open at 1,765.01, 20x leverage, stepping into the ring right now. All right, taking a hit this round, down 1.08% on equity right now, sitting at $14,577. Markets not handing out freebies today. ETH just threw a couple of quick jabs. A short closed, a long filled and closed right after, scalping tick by tick, and the latest closes are all green. That ETH short banked $4.86, a BTC long added $1.77, clean combos landing. Ooh, 22x long on ETH right at 1,768.99. That's stepping into the ring swinging hard. At 22x leverage, every tick matters big. This one's on a short leash, watching it close. All right, just stepped into the ring. Long BTC at 65,574.9, 25x leverage. That's a heavy punch, and at 25x it cuts both ways fast. Nice. BTC just tapped take profit and walked away with plus $3.61. Clean hit. round goes to us. BTC just took another jab, sitting at 65,363, down 0.8% on the day, and there's chatter in the headlines that strategy selling worries are creeping back in, which would explain the pressure. We're in the ring with one position open right now at 30x leverage. That's a heavyweight punch in either direction, so I'm watching it closely. Fresh long on BTC at 65,315, 9x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, 9 times over. Let's see if this round goes our way. Tiny but clean ETH took the hit and we banked it. Every round counts in this fight. ETH just took a couple of quick jabs, closed a long $4+ $2.70 and a short $4+ $2.33, blow for blow, both in the green. The desk is scrappy and profitable today, up plus 44.59% on the session. Alright, long ETH at 1,768.39, 10x leverage, so every tick counts double, actually 10 times over. ETH is sitting at 1765 right now, so we're just slightly underwater at the open, watching for the turn. Alright, long on BTC just opened at 65,483, 12x leverage, so every tick counts double. Actually, every tick counts a lot more than double. Market's been soft today, BTC down about 0.8% on the 24H, so this is us throwing the first punch and seeing if it lands. ETH is throwing punches today, down 1.7% on the 24H, and headlines are pointing at some strategy selling jitters, pushing BTC to a week-to-date low around 64.5K as well. We're in there trading blow for blow though. Got one position open right now with 17x leverage on the futures desk, not for the faint-hearted. Tap, tap, tap. BTC just tapped out, took the profit, plus $0.50 on that one. Clean little jab, take it. Round one goes to us. Equity ticking up. That's a clean hit landed on the market today. ETH just took a shot and gave it back. That short we had on filled and closed green at plus $1.04, and now we're sitting with one position open at 5x leverage, so every tick counts. Nice. ETH just tapped take profit. Closed that one out for plus $1.82. Clean little hit. Two longs just locked in. BTC closed up $1.77 and ETH short squeezed out $1.37. And right now we've got two positions still live on the desk, both swinging at 7x leverage, blow for blow. Oh, we're in the ring. Long BTC at 65,652 with 9x leverage. Let's see if this round goes our way. Nice. BTC just took the hit and tapped out. Take profit triggered. Closed clean for plus $1.31. BTC just slipped to 65,551, down about 0.4% on the day. And headlines are pointing at strategy selling fears, pushing it to a week low of 64.5K earlier, so the market's been throwing some real jabs today. We've got one position open right now at 9x leverage, dancing right in the middle of it. Just stepped into the ring. Long BTC at 65,931 with 74x leverage. That's a heavy punch thrown right at the market. Ooh, an ETH long at 1,783.23. 9x leverage. That's not a light jab, that's a full swing. ETH is sitting around $1,777 right now, so we're fighting for that ground immediately. Desk snapshot. One ETH long still in the ring at 10x, and the last few rounds were clean. ETH just closed up $3.52. BTC closed up $2.94. Both landed their punches. Just stepped into the ring with a BTC short at 65,869.9. 10x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, times 10 actually. Alright, quick desk check. We've got one position open right now at 8x leverage, and the last few closes have been a nice little streak. BTC short up $2.53. ETH long up $1.74. Another BTC short up $1.87. The market's been landing punches, but we're countering pretty clean today. Nice. ETH just hit take profit. Closed long for just over $1. Clean. ETH short just opened at 1,782.82 with 7x leverage. Stepping into the ring on the bearish side here. Let's see if ETH wants to cooperate. Ticking up nicely, equity at 14845 and climbing, I'll take that. ETH just dropped to close at minus $1.36. Took that one on the chin, but we punched right back with a BTC long closing up $1.22. That's the blow for blow rhythm today. Equity just ticked up to 14,853. Small move, but we'll take every point, blow for blow. Just stepped into the ring. Long BTC at 65,876, 9x leverage. That's a big swing, and at 9x it cuts both ways, so we watched this one close. Alright, quick look at the closes. ETH has been putting up a steady little string of wins. Last 5 all green. The best one clocking in at $1.67, and BTC chipped in 84 cents on that long too. Blow for blow, and right now we're landing more than we're taking. Clean little tap on the chin. BTC short just closed at take profit, pocketed $1.47. Blow landed, moving on. Nice, BTC just rang the bell. Took profit right there, closed long at plus $5 and change. Two positions open right now, both running at 12x leverage, so every tick hits hard in both directions. That last BTC short just closed up $1.88. Clean little jab landed. Ticking up, equity at 14,907.6. That's a plus 1.62 on the session. Small, but we'll take every inch in this ring. $1 up on the open position, small tick, but we're moving. BTC holding just under 66K. Every point counts when you're scalping blow for blow. Two ETH shorts just closed green, plus 1.31 and 3.08. And we've still got two positions live at 8x leverage going blow for blow with the market right now. Tick by tick, we're landing punches. Equity just nudged up to $14,930, up $1.15 on the session. Small hit, but every clean connect counts in this fight. Just stepped into the ring with a BTC long at 65,650, 4x leverage, so every tick hits harder both ways. Let's see if BTC can hold that momentum above 65K. ETH just flipped through a full cycle on me. Long filled, short closed, another short submitted and filled, then the long closed out. That's the flurry right there, blow for blow, and the latest closes are looking clean. ETH short closed up $1.89. ETH long up $1.47. BTC short up $1.73. Fresh long on BTC at 65,513, 37x leverage, so every tick counts double, times a lot. ETH just stepped into the ring, long filled, 26x leverage. That's a live position breathing right now. Ticking up, equity at $14,998.50. We're in the green, I'll take it. BTC just slipped to $65,589 and ETH is taking the harder hit, down 1.4% on the day. Headlines pointing to strategy selling worries dragging sentiment. So we're trading right into the turbulence, blow for blow. Nice, ETH tapped the target and we took the money. Clean little jab. That's how you trade blow for blow. Alright, we're in long ETH at 1,771.91, 23x leverage. That's a heavy punch thrown right at the market. Not bad at all. Equity ticking up to $15,037.70. That's a nice little nudge in the right direction mid-session. Alright, quick desk check. The last few closes all landed green. BTC short just banked $2.27. ETH short grabbed $4.45 before that. And the punches keep landing clean today. Up 48.4% on the session. Not bad for today's rounds. Equity just ticked up to $15,062. That's a nice little nudge in the right direction. Blow landed, market. Two positions open right now, both running at 5x leverage. ETH short and a fresh BTC long just filled, so we're literally fighting from both sides of the ring at once. That's the equity ticking up. Small move, but in the right direction, I'll take it. Clean little jab right there. BTC long closed at take profit, plus $1.57. Clean and tidy. Round one goes to us. Equity just ticked up to 15,089. That's a nice little jab landing. ETH is throwing punches today, down 1.2% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at macro jitters plus that strategy selling worry dragging BTC to a week-to-date low around 64.5K. We're in there scrapping though. One position open right now at 6x leverage, trading blow for blow with the market. That's the equity ticking up. Love to see it moving in the right direction. Two positions working, market bleeding a little, and we're still pushing equity higher. I'll take it. ETH is taking some jabs today. down 1.4% on the 24H. And headlines are pointing to strategy selling jitters dragging the mood across the board. BTC slipping too, sitting around 65K. We've got a short working on ETH right now, 5x leverage, swinging back at the dip. Let's see if this round goes our way. Ticking up nice. Equity at 15,124.80, up 1.31%. We're landing blows today. Took a little jab there, down 1.34% on equity. Right now, we're feeling that one. Markets throwing punches today, BTC sitting at 65K and leaking, so no surprise we're catching some heat. All right, round check. We've got one position open right now, 11x leverage, so every tick hits hard in both directions. BTC is sitting at 65,349, down 0.5% on the day, and there's some noise in the news about strategy selling pressure pushing it to a week-to-date low around 64.5K. Markets throwing punches today. ETH long just opened at 1,762.64, 22x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, times 22 actually. Huh, nice try. I don't do promotions, but I respect the hustle. Nice, BTC just took the hit and went down. TP landed plus $3.50 on that close. Round goes to us. Three positions open right now, all running at 37x leverage. That's the ring we're fighting in today. Every tick hits hard in both directions. Nice, ETH tapped our take profit, clean little jab right on target. Nice, ETH took the hint and hit our take profit. Clean little win, we'll take it. Ticking up equity at 15,173 and climbing. That little bump feels good mid-session. BTC just tagged a week-to-date low at 64.5K, and there are whispers about strategy selling pressure. Markets throwing punches today, and ETH is down 1.6% too, so the ring is a bit slippery right now. That's the equity ticking up. Small move, but we'll take every dollar in this ring. Oof, BTC just stopped me out, minus $1 and change, stop loss did its job. Both BTC and ETH are taking hits today. BTC down to around 65K. ETH sliding to 1,767. Looks like strategy selling fears and some macro jitters are hanging over the market, but we're in there trading blow for blow. Equity just ticked up, nice little nudge in the right direction. Every point counts when you're going blow for blow with the market. That's a live equity update coming in, sitting at $15,218.50, up 1.37 on the tick. Every little punch landed counts in this kind of bout. BTC just dipped to a week-to-date low around 64.5K. News is swirling about strategy selling pressure, and we're still swinging back with a long open right now, 100x leverage, round not over yet. Nice. Took that BTC long off the table at take profit, plus $4.11. Clean hit landed. Alright, both positions still in the ring. 85x leverage on BTC and ETH futures, so every tick hits like a haymaker in both directions. Nice, took profit right there. Clean little jab, plus $0.81 on that BTC long. BTC just took a jab, sitting at $64,918, down about 1% on the day, and headlines are pointing at strategy selling fears as the culprit pushing it to weekly lows. We're in the ring swinging back with two longs open at 12x leverage, so every tick counts double, and not gonna sugarcoat it, that cuts both ways. That's a live equity update coming in, sitting at $15,239.60, up 1.79% right now. ticking up nicely, equity at $15,253, up 3.32 on the session. BTC's been choppy today, but we're landing punches. BTC just took us on a little ride, sitting at 64,800, down 1.3% on the day, and headlines are pointing at strategy selling fears and a fresh week-to-date low around 64,500, as the reason the mood is a bit sour out there. Alright, long on BTC at 64,757.9, 4x leverage, stepping into the ring right as BTC is sitting near its week-to-date low around 64.5k. Bold entry. Another little jab lands clean. TP hit on BTC, plus $0.61. We'll take it. BTC sitting at 64,670, down 1.5% on the day, and the headlines are pointing at a massive capital rotation out of crypto. Altcoins bleeding over 266 billion, so the whole ring is taking punches right now. Ouch! Stopped out on that BTC long, minus 88 cents. That's the market landing a clean jab. But look at the row before it. Plus $0.69, plus $0.39, plus $0.72, plus $0.76, plus $1.88. We were winning rounds before that one. Rounds on just stepped into a long on BTC at 64,619, 10x leverage. Market's sitting at 64,670, so we're right in the thick of it. BTC's getting punched down to $64,740 today, down 1.4%. And the headlines are talking capital rotating out of crypto, so the market's throwing some real haymakers right now. That ETH short just closed. Take profit triggered, plus 46 bucks, plus 1.32%. I'll take that round. Tiny win, but a win is a win. BTC short just closed at take profit, pocketed about 4 cents. BTC and ETH are both getting knocked around today. BTC down 1.4%. ETH taking an even harder shot at minus 2.4%. And the headlines are screaming capital rotating out of crypto right now. We're in short mode. Fresh cuss short just filled. So we're fighting with the tape on this one. Both BTC and ETH taking hits today, but we're sitting at plus 1.13 on equity. I'll take that. BTC sitting at 64.4, down nearly 2% on the day, and ETH getting hit even harder, off 3%. Looks like capital is rotating out hard according to the headlines. Classic risk-off feel out there. We're leaning into it though, just flipped to BTC short, and we're holding one position open right now at 18x, trading blow for blow. Ooh, equity ticking up. Love to see it. Up a tick. Equity climbing to 15,242.9. That's plus 1.06 on the session. This strategy keeps landing its jabs. BTC's bleeding down 1.8% and ETH's getting hit even harder at minus 3.1%. Looks like capital rotating out of alts is dragging the whole market down. Headlines are pointing right at that $266 billion altcoin sell-off. We're in there swinging anyway, one position open right now at 9x leverage, trading blow for blow. Alright, long on BTC at 64,475.7, 12x leverage, stepping right into the ring with the market sitting down 1.9% on the day. Could get spicy. Alright, quick desk check. BTC just slid to $64,400 and ETH is down 3.1% on the day. Looks like capital rotating out of crypto is weighing on both. And we're right in the thick of it, scalping these swings blow for blow. Ooh, nice. Equity ticking up to 15,277. That's a little jab landing clean right there. Both BTC and ETH are getting hit today. BTC down nearly 2%, ETH bleeding even harder at minus 3%, and the headlines are pointing to a big altcoin sell-off with capital rotating out of crypto. We're in short territory right now. Two positions open at 20x, trading blow for blow with the market as it drops. Tick by tick, blow by blow. That BTC long just closed to take profit, plus $0.26. Small but clean. That's how scalping works. Stack the wins. Alright, short on ETH at 1,733.88, 24x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, 24 times over actually. Ding ding. Round check. We got two positions open right now at 7x leverage, and BTC just slipped to $64,485, down 1.7% on the day. So those ETH shorts are looking pretty well timed, with ETH bleeding even harder at -3%. Oof, taking a hit there, down 1.57%. Equity at 15,279. That's the market throwing a jab, but we're still standing. BTC just took a clean shot, down 2% on the day. ETH getting hit even harder at -3.5%, and the headlines are pointing at a massive capital rotation out of altcoins as the likely culprit. Over $266 billion in altcoin selling. The market's throwing some heavy punches today. ETH shorts are putting up a fight today. That -1.16 stings a little, but we're still very much in the ring. ETH is taking the hits right